Three, two, one, let's open it. I'm gonna open by myself here. It's just like a train.
Raya World.
Three, two, one, let's go. Hi guys, how are you everybody? Welcome to my channel. This is Bye, Like and Kiss. I love you so much. Please subscribe me. I love you. Thank you for subscribing me. Kissing, sharing, comment, subscribe. And I gonna love this unboxing by light. Let's open it. I'm gonna open by myself here. Just it can opens. I can use the hands to open like this. Let's try it. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Wow! It has a button here. It can turn on lights, and there's one more here, and it says this one. Just a longer, but I should take this off. Wait, mommy, look at this. Watch. Look. Look. It's so cool. And there's a one more. Mommy, can you help me? I'm gonna never take this off. Can you help me, please?
Okay, sure.
With unboxing. Wow! Mommy, look at this. You can get this on. Look, see, ta-da! Two, it can get off. It's just like a train. Okay, mommy, I'm gonna open this. Okay, mommy, I'm gonna open this.
Yes.
I know how to fix it. Mommy, I'm gonna show you because I know how to fix it. This light is ready for charger. Not kids to plug the charger. Only mommy has to plug the charger. Let me put this up and put this right there. And I'm gonna plug the charger on. Thank you guys for watching me for this light changing its colors. Tonight it's gonna come this light. I can turn this on and the light is gonna come all the light here like this, and I love you so much. Please subscribe me. Bye